what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are finally going to be working on the RSX. Yes, you heard me correcto mundo, cuz we are going to be working on Nami, my DC5 2002 Acura R6 Type S. What you guys see in these two boxes are none other than my package from Devsport. I finally have my side skirts and I have my new front splitter. I hope this is a chin splitter. I don't want a full splitter. I can't remember if I ordered the full or the chin. I can't remember. But yes, you heard correct. I ordered it. It wasn't free. Yes, indeedy. That is exactly what we're going to be working on today. Hope you guys are coming along for the ride of your lifetime. I can hear Fred saying,
"Yo, Mayo, move up with the fisherman talking."
Yep. So on my RSX, I have A-spec front lip, along with A-spec side skirts that you guys can't see, but I have them. There you go. And we're going to be attaching the front splitter and side skirts. Oh, look how crappy this is. Jesus Christ. I'm getting this whole car repainted soon, so it's going to be A-okay. A-okay. And they also sent me some canards, so I might throw canards on the car. I don't know, we'll see. It might not fit my taste. I'm pretty sure it won't, but this is just something I can mock up and see if I like it or not. Because I do plan on making this thing look like a damn track beast, boy. Who you guys have no idea. What I have planned for the RSX after I'm really done with this car. I also asked Randy if he would like to help me work on the RSX. He said sure. Anytime your friends say sure, that means not really, but I mean, I guess. The homies, bro. The homies are growing up. Alright, so now that I got it all unboxed, here is my chin splitter. So they did give me the chin splitter, thank the Lord. So the chin splitter basically mounts up to your factory lip, and you won't have issues where this flapping because it's getting air in it. This should be fine because it's not a full splitter, so it won't pick up windage. So that's straight, and it also comes with a edge liner. That's pretty dope. Yeah. Got brackets here. And this is the side skirt. Comes with the same thing as well. Got the liner for both sides. Boop. Got all the hardware needed. And that's it. It should be pretty simple. All I have to do is take off the side skirts, take off the front bumper, and then just mount everything. It's fairly simple. Even though Randy is being a hoe, I might go prostitute him. Do what I do. Oh, and Sophie cooked. Yeah, I'm going to Randy's house. I want to do this at Randy's house, cause gotta eat, bro. What's up, BB? Hi, Randy. Hey, Sophie, I got your man for today. Yep. Action. All right, gotta get to a good angle, though, right? All right.
Damn. Mercy, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro? What's up, dog?
What's happening, bro?
Chillin', G.
What's up?
I'm here to I gotta use your man's services and resources, you know what I mean?
It's all good, dog. I'm working too.
Oh, I'm in there, bro, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna go work, man.
So here we have my Devsport front splitter, along with the side skirt. That boy Nav Jr. over there doing his thug dizzle. I see you, boy, when you dropping the album. Yeah. So for the front splitter installation, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what's them called? Clips. And then unscrew the sides, the Phillips screwdriver on the sides, like right there. Mine's broke off, so it's pretty simple for me. And the side's already off, and then you just pull it off. Alright, so in order for us to install this splitter, I have to remove the lip. And if you guys remember my last RSX based video, I can't really do, well I can, it's just gonna cause all this to crack and it's gonna look like trash. Because when they painted this car, they painted it with the lip on. So it got like that bonded paint material. But man, that looks good. I'm just gonna send it anyway. It is what it is, till it ain't. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. Me and Randy are kind of lost right now. Yeah, I don't know how to bolt this thing up. It'd be the simplest thing to do, and we're trying to figure out how to execute it. Seen a couple videos, nobody took off their front lip, but it's like, how the hell did they mount it on? There's mounting brackets on the splitter itself, but they're not lining up with the bumper because I have the lip on. So if I remove the lip and then try to attach it, I'm still gonna have all this in a way to even attach the front screws. So I'm trying to figure out the best way, easier way to do it without really sacrificing stability, without using the brackets. Well, I think I'm gonna use the bracket like I did here, and then use this thing. Oh, shit's not even on the damn thing. To use this like to mount to the bumper itself. I don't know. Figuring it out, bro. Just trying to figure it out. That's a wrap for today. I'll see you guys Thursday because it didn't work. We're gonna just figure this whole thing out Thursday. But look at this beautiful view. Ooh, we're cool. Yep, you heard us right. We can't figure it out. What's happening, fam? Next day, well, 2 days later, it's Thursday, and I decided I'm just gonna try to do it myself because I don't know. Well, I didn't decide it. Randy's at his house working on with his family and stuff, and I don't feel like doing no lawn work right now. Randy, you know I love you, bro, but God, I don't feel like doing no lawn work. So what I decided to do was just start working on the side skirts, and then I'll do the front lip. And all I gotta do now is just drill. Got my first hole right there. Boom, and just that's it. I got the hardware somewhere. I don't know where it's on top of the spoiler. You guys, I don't know why I even showed you. He's not even there. But yeah, I just gotta drill holes where these will bolt up to, and that's it. And yeah, pretty straightforward. I'll probably time lapse it to show you guys how to really do it. I mean, we'll see how it comes out. You know me. I'm trash at this type of stuff. So I'm trash at everything in my life. I have no self-confidence. I'm insecure about everything. My life is trash. Alright, so I got the passenger side done. Ooh, look at the ice, baby. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Got the passenger side done, and I also got the driver's side done. I had to redo the driver's side because I messed up. Like I had this was like way like right here or something. It was trash, but now it's pretty even. So yeah, but had to redo that. But other than that, side skirts are done. Side skirt splitters are done. Now we're going to somehow figure out how to mount this. I'm gonna figure it out. I am going to figure this out today. That is the goal. The goal is to figure this out. Quick update. I went to Ace Hardware, picked up some self-drilling screws. I'm not going to use all the hardware. Actually, I'm not going to use none of the hardware that came in my Devsport package because I don't know what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do instead, Devsport, I'm sorry for this, bro. I know, like, I know, I'm sorry. But with these self-drilling bolts, I am just going to drill along the thing till it looks something like this. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. And yeah, look how nice that would complement. Ooh, and I curb brushed the shit out of my wheels yesterday. But I bought some black Sharpie and just ran around the edge with it. I think I'm just gonna get like some black nail polish. I'm gonna order a new rim anyway, so I can have fresh, all new RPF ones, because that one, oof. Here's how it looked like before. Yup, trash. With enough talking, let's finally secure this bad thing. I hope this works. I hope my method actually works. So we're gonna find out, though. We're gonna find out, pimpin'. And y'all should already know the vibes, but god damn it. Jesus. But like I was saying, you guys should know the vibes by now. Gotta do my cinematic, so I hope you guys enjoy it. God damn, my car looks good. Ooh, this Devsport thing is balling right now, my G. Yee. Check me out. Man, look how good this looks, boy. Sheesh. Oh my God. God dang. Let me just brighten it up for y'all real quick. Show y'all the ice, the pigmentation of the drip. Whoo, this is beautiful. Man, that Devsport front splitter with the side skirt combo is nice. All I need in the rear is a nice little diffuser, boy. Maybe do the 0506 rear end conversion. Nami, that might look good. But man, huge shout out to Devsport for working with your boy on this project RSX. Now I got some RSX content. More motivated to keep working on it. Well, I'm always been motivated, but like singing like this, ooh, imagine. Vented hood, you know what I mean? Make it look all nice. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Ooh wee. Yeah, this is heat right here, boy. This is heat. Yeah, love it. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Devsport install of the RSX. Yeah, that's what I worked on, RSX. Man, last night was a dope vibe, man. We all went out cruising. It was such a good time. Such a good time, and I didn't even film any of that, so leave it up to me to leave my channel content dry. Shaking my head. But yo, huge thank you to Devsport for coming on board and helping me and providing me some dope content, man. If you guys would like anything from Devsport, link down below. I will try my best to get a discount code. Y'all know how I am. If they work with me, then I gotta work with y'all. Yeah, that's how we build this family together, you know what I mean? So I will try to do that, you know what I mean, behind the scenes. And if I do, then just be sure to follow me on Instagram to stay up to date. I have like a little highlight thing on my Instagram where all my discount codes. So be sure to follow that. If you guys would like any K-Swap related parts, be sure to check out Hybrid Racing. Use discount code Zosh for 5% off. And if you guys need a clutch, use Action. You know what I mean? Everything's on my Instagram page. So go over there and show your boy some love, alright? Alright, cool. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. And let's see what else we can. Oh, also, if anyone in Florida has an RSX Type S exhaust system slash header for sale, please let me know. I don't want to buy it new. That's like too much money. You know what I mean? I want to make the RSX fast, but I don't want to dump buku bucks in it. You know what I mean? Just if you got it for sale, let me know. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Peace.